Breaking on my pocket and you see car.
Can't all with the shambala. Pick up your dance and grandfather. Watch your pretty dolly, them all do the Bobby's murder. Put your band in a Bobby's murder. Kill all do the Bobby's murder. You must put in flat to the Bobby's murder. Five cartel, alkaline and Movada. Stomach, no foot clean, murder. Bobby's murder.
Breaking on my pocket and you see car.
Be the man and do Bobby's murder.
Breaking on my pocket and you see car.
Digital champ, Bobby's murder.
Breaking on my pocket and you see car. Gucci on my body and you see style. I do what I feel like. I steam up. She pop a molly, so kick I can really cool. Yeah, the tongue in her throat, come a drop, come in shoes lace. Bang a ring, call a car, and toes here. Chucky just land on a gun with suitcase. Minutes later, call me a blue face. Start up a whip up and he told me I do this skate. 250 panny dash and me no see no brakes. Hitch up a do what me feel like. Breaking on my pocket and you see Kyle. Gucci on my body and you see style. The girl from the car, she feel like. Breaking on my pocket and you see Kyle. Gucci on my body and you see style. Breaking on my pocket, pussy all I never man a play. Shopping at the lucky, ever have it when me traveling. Chip up on the full, I never practice and I comedy. Killer pussy, no I never hit, I never probably. Killer say the beat quick fast, so my body hit. Flow full and I'm a live velocity mentality. Living on my style, swing it cross when I done with it. Girl in on my ass, swing it black when I done with it. Hitch up I do what me feel like. Breaking on my pocket and you see Kyle. Gucci on my body and you see style. Your girlfriend a call, she feel like. No, what me feel like. Hitch up I do what me feel like. Breaking on my pocket and you see Kyle. Gucci on my body and you see style. No, right now me feel dark and drunk and fuck up. In at the party, me ex me go buck up. Rubber move to the bar, we there you bring more up. Money in a pocket and the Glock they a load up. Select that, brother juggle and shut up. Me under me vice, brother ya talk too much. Brother ya talk too much now man, bumbo clad. Hitch up a do what me feel like. Breaking on my pocket and you see Kyle. Gucci on my body and you see style. Your girlfriend a call, she feel like. No, what me feel like. Hitch up a do what me feel like. Breaking on my pocket and you see Kyle.
Be a big bumper, girl, I walk out. Car them a pull up on the bike, roll out, and the thugs them they all about.
Give me something for wine tonight.
And the vibes so nice. Yeah, we a smoke some cheese and they are well high. Watch ya, me just a go on with a vibes and a party. You see it and the girl them a walk on the beat. Thugs them a bleach and we not skin no teeth. Eyes soak me your fuck and we not fall asleep. And you know we
all of the dog phone them right now. Make you do a voice check, audio check, right 313. Hear you? And we tune into live on TV. We are all about TV. Hope night on the ones and three now. Welcome to my TV. Every Friday we live on with 3D. Check. So right now, you're tuning into live on TV. It's a Friday, no people, you don't know. It's a boy, the one that himself. And everybody just left. Yeah, I had to fire all these motherfuckers. Yep. So I'm here by myself. Me and Up 9 and the producer. So yeah. Just tap up the screen. No, TikTok with the pun. Like the live and subscribe. Cause we're there and we're live on a Friday night and the VYBZ is live. Yeah. I already know. DJ 9 on the ones and threes. So people, we have an announcement. Yeah, we have a big announcement. Judge God. We have a big announcement for you, see. The announcement is big, boy. The announcement is huge. Yeah. Put that shit down, boy. Your ass supposed to be healthy. I know the feeling, man. I know the feeling. Come on.
yeah. Be a big bumper, girl, I walk out. Car them a pull up on the bike, roll out, and the thugs them they all about. And the vibes so nice. Yeah, we a smoke Watch ya, me just a go on with a vibes and a party. You see it and the girl them a walk on the beat. Tugs them a bleach and
Oh, we live in the TV and it's a vibe. Yo, check over there. Live on TV. Yeah. Yeah, and with that, you know, yeah. It look like say yo check a cut from Muddy, you know. Up 9. Cause full boss. Every day me see him. He ask if me I got a road. In a beans. From what day every day. From what day every day the one Jay must say yo. Every time me see him, yo, you got a road tonight. Yeah. Yeah. Me don't know. New car look like, yeah, boy, I can't clean it. Me say, my brother, I can't clean. Yeah. And dirty at the same time. If you know, you know. But, if outside for one night, man, know, maybe I can't pick up the car now. Him now have to ask somebody if he pick him up. Yeah. I send for the Uber, so, yeah, I'm outside. So, people, yeah. Ladies. Me can't say that? Oh. Ladies. Me don't know. Me don't know cause me got a road to. No. Me don't know cause you cannot go home to a woman, you know. So you can just a party and a work, you work. Remember you dancer. Yeah. So me just ask if me have permission for you know? Yeah. Yeah, no disrespect, you know me no power with, yeah. But anyway, you know we laugh. And you can tell, say me first, you know, cause I'm not top chat, you know. But yeah. We're doing an audio check in the building. DJ, don't let me talk about the phone, because we are give about 10 minutes.
Medicine, roll it up, light it up, party strong, get the fine signs in it. Fire now, visit. They know them most and them want go.
Producers are live, you know. Many things say are free. The early 10 minutes are free. But I'm gonna pay my feet. So make sure you like the live and subscribe. Yeah, we're there. We there. Yo, we there. Hey, everybody.
Another 5 minutes and we get to the show, right?
Audio's good for me.
You know I could have worse when I buy, but she I wind up, I'm a digital, can I get any treat? I'm like, still a girl, them come up. Send yourself and if you like, mama. One pay shot I chill, party a pocket full of money. Mixing up my cup and me go sip until my done. I ain't tell me I away in the club. If you see me, I have faith at the dance. I tell it again, let me keep them on the run. We remember so one dark in the traffic that we're running. Great of when I away in the clouds. So if you see me, I have faith at the dance.
Laffy, push back. Yeah, we living good. Take care of my dogs, take care of my hood. Who are you out there when we living like we should? Everybody turn style like we die all hood. We living good, we doing fine, we doing aye. Buy me one of things that me want so nobody coulda style me. Remember when me cook my noodles with the V and a sausage, happy manage. Now me stacking up the cabbage, living lavish. Pretty girl me got beside and me look like she want the pavish. Girl from in every pavish, want to sleeping on me palace. Vibes done bites on the body of wah. Sipping on this back and me smoking a cigar. Like out there a wheelie, pretty girl in a bikini, bout to push it panty like a string whatever on a guitar. Yeah, we living good. Take care of my dogs, take care of my hood. Who are you out there when we living like we should? Everybody don't style like we die Hollywood. Living good, we doing fine, we doing aye. Buy me one of things time me want son, nobody coulda style me. How to spend some money what them can't afford. Big up me dance from up here straight to Waterford. Money and girl, they so me not have no time for quote. But if them violate me dog, we put them life on life support. And the style sophisticated, so many chicks me dated. They be party, but I know me better not be lated. Me full me heart with money, while them full them heart with hatred. And I got the photo, if them violate, we lead them waste, we lead them waste. Yeah, we living good, take care of my dogs, take care of my hood. Who are you out there when we living like we should? Everybody don't style like we die Hollywood. We living good, we doing fine, we doing aye. Buy me one of the things now, hey.
We a cup, me a bonus spliff when me look through the smoke and me see a $1 sign. When me look on me watch and when me take it time me realize say I'm money time. Before me sip on me tea, me looking at the cup all me see a $1 sign. Me mother just text me and when me read the text all me see a $1 sign. We a go stop and stops and every ghetto youth we a dream one that day. Driving at the cars we hot and big house pan $1 million lot. Pocket bulging fat and money coming in no stop. Get a youth make a money move. Whether you win or lose. Every day I'm working hard, striving for the best. Been through so much in life, but I love my lesson. Someday it must get better. Get a youth, it must get better. Make a money move. Make the money send me son a private school. So much money break any rule. Buckle up my belt, lace up my shoes. Mama never raise up any fools. Me know I'm just pushing with a feel so good. To see the G them move out the hood. Everybody gave and I'm all a mood. Me shed the tears come me wish you could. Every day I'm working hard, striving for the best. Been through so much in life, but I love my lesson. Someday it must get better. Get to you. Get better, make a money move. Making money for the eyes of a pagan. Versace shoes and me Ray-Ban. Money menace everybody know me name as. Plus a couple billionaires on me favors. Take me money buy myself a couple acres. Smoke me spliff and reminisce about the traitors. Mama tell me so be careful of the fakers. Cause them will switch from Cavaliers and go to Lakers. Every day me I want for the money. Me nah do nothing funny. Money can't change me.
Yo, I need a butter remix. My dog's asking me where
remix you have? Which remix you have? What you say? What you say? Tell them say! Oh God! You're tuning into BADDIES Friday, people. This is a boy, get it straight. Night vibes, tell them!
100 million, close and silly. Sell like the place,
Tell me all this. Hey! All that tune you know, I'm bad suck it up. See the body spot up the song, yeah. Bala, Bailey, all day.
Some boy them that's true, every day they touch on me and them lady. When I live like Bala, Bailey. Them know see how we are on the road, and us is them fear we. You know see some man I got a design. And your girl say me sharp like a define. Some boy and a lock still back at the time. Say them a fire, but man a fire. That's show me fresh up with the Miami style. Some boy watch and follow me style. 100 million girl me a start up be fine. And if that not dark, me rather be blind. Bala, Leon, Bailey. Some boy them that's true. Every day they touch road me and them lady. When I live like Bala, Bailey. Them know see how we are on the road and us is them fear we. damage. And the truth is, no boy can't me up after me and no cupid. Me travel with me dance, them and them a carry clip. So don't nobody make them use it. A father gotta save them. Just through music, make man not turn them over with two broke dick. Like one time when them see me and say, oh, it's the walk in the past now.
Send me a response for you and try it. Bad man no taste nor bad. A gal alone get to ride my bike. Bad man no broke stop like. Some boys see something on the gram and go try it. But out the private flight. None of me split them no bout and no light. No gal have it blow when the candle light. Constant and sharp like Gillo from me a teenager. Bullet for a boy when molest teenager. Pussy alone, me love. No time we no move and balance. Me not take off no boy and the pants. No way. Pussy alone, me love. Done well. Send me no response for you and try it. Bad man no taste nor bite. No way. A gal alone get to ride my bike. Bad man no broke stop light. Some boys see something on the gram and go try it. Bow out the private flight. None of me split them no bout and no light. No gal have it blow when the candle light. And sharp like Gillo from me a teenager. Bullet for a boy with molest teenager. Hot pussy girl a figure bring my child. Girl pussy wet up like a river Nile. That me love to see thicker than a US sky. Boy you fi get white from a fish or wine. Send me no response to you and try it. Bad man no taste nor bite. A girl alone get to ride my bike. Bad man no broke stop light. Some boys see something on the gram and go try it. Bow out the private flight. None of me split them no bout that.
Everybody.
No man can't touch me speed, can't touch me seed. Be a girl no breed. Me love when y'all ride off my dick. Car pussy get wet when me rub out the meat. Y'all watch me like Canon. Me want every fat pussy girl a come on. Rather go a 1 foot girl, one on. The God no go man. I'm no response to you and try it. Bad man no taste nor bite. A girl alone get to ride my bike. Bad man no broke stop light. Some boys everything bang the gram and go try it.
Everybody, thanks for tuning in. This your boy Girls Day, alongside DJ 9 Dr. Society as him say.
Yep.
What panel up with the beat there? We let that beat there go and boom. Keep going boom.
Let the beat go on boom.
Yeah, because we're going to just run through the event them same way and thing at the upcoming. You see? I like that beat the same way. So as I said, people, we're there. This is VYBZ Friday. We got to go and cruise and go. Today I just, the last Friday of the month.
Yeah.
So it's just straight vibes, right? We just there going through. But we have a couple topics, so we are going.
That's the first month of the year?
What? It is the first month of the year.
First month of the year. It's all the way.
End of the first month of the year.
Yeah,
we going into Black History Month next month, man.
And I mean, hey, you know me. I say Black History, hey. It's every day.
Yeah.
But that too. Okay,
but we ain't, we ain't gonna talk. But yeah, it's the last Friday.
Yes,
didn't we supposed to be doing something on last Friday? Some shit? Oh, the street vibes on last Friday? Okay.
Last week we were supposed to it was our game night, but too much things are going on where we did have a part 2 where dance out.
Yeah.
And skip out.
Yeah, that shit's not done. That shit is definitely not done.
Yep. It's still going to be a shooting in a musically.
Yeah, me say right now, so me and some artists probably go fire some shot. Yeah. Right now, probably fire shot.
Yeah, but before we get into that, I just say thanks everybody for tuning in who's in the chat, who checked in early.
Shouts out to the chat, always.
We just ask you to share, comment, and get outside the chat and like the video itself.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And just give you a strength seeing it. But
like the life, please.
We have some events we are going. Go up 5 feet now. We have some events, so you got some of the events that we shouting out?
First and foremost for me, man, matter of fact, I'm tripping, man. We can go in order, man. The Culture Clash is going on tomorrow.
Oh, that's tomorrow?
I believe that's tomorrow, Saturday night, man. The Culture Clash, man. Shouts out to Fire Kid, man. What's the other DJ? Rumboss.
And
DJ Max. Dynamic. Is Dynamic on that one too?
So. That's tomorrow? I think so.
The Culture Clash, I'm about to double check that right now, man.
Yeah, we run that. And then they have something where you call
Yeah, Crush on You, man. Shouts out to my boy Bleak, man. Studio Lounge, they whole thing, man. Shouts out to Kajana. Tasty K in there right now, man. See, they executive chef and everything. She got some good ass food if you ain't never had her food before. If you want her food now.
Is that the infused lady?
She does do infused stuff too. She does a blunch. She does a blunch every 420. Yo.
Lunch is dope. Now I saw a reel of her. Somebody they did her grand opening.
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah. It looked dope.
Tyranny. Yep. She did the
so it's the same
There you go.
person.
There you go. There you go. Yeah. One of the baddies had them an interview with her. And that was dope. I had tuned into that. That was pretty dope. I remember you were telling me about that spot. So yeah, we gotta tap in.
That's January 20. I'm not January. February 23rd. That's going down, man. The Crush on You thing. That's going down. That's gonna be crazy.
Okay.
Them parties go down every year. I ain't gonna lie. Every year. Every time they go on.
But before we get into those events, find the other ones. But
March 2nd. My fault. Sunday, March 2nd is the Culture Clash.
Oh yeah. So I thought it was. So it's not tomorrow.
Yeah, it's next month.
Yeah.
It's next 2 months.
I mean,
tonight though, got a couple of events going on tonight.
Yeah, one of them, Aquarius Bash. You don't know, I'm about to foot brother that on Firehouse himself.
Okay.
Three Little Birds. Yeah, they going down tonight. You know what I'm saying?
Mix It Up Fridays is the ones I was thinking about.
Okay, that's going down tonight too. Yeah, so there's a lot. I know it's slushy outside right now. And
make sure y'all be safe outside, yo.
Y'all can't drive. I know y'all can't drive. I know our chat can't drive.
Wow.
Our chat can't. In this weather, we got.
That.
Even our Americans.
Why you against our chat, bro?
I'm just saying, these my niggas, bro. I'm just saying. I'm me and them part every Friday. Yeah, I'm a little food friendly man too, but they can't drive in the snow, bro. They can't drive in the snow.
That's not even here every Friday, but
I'm just saying, bro. I'm here every Friday, bro. In spirit, in physically or spiritually. Anyways,
and in truth.
But be careful out there. I know it's slushy out, but there's a few events going on. Yeah. You know, you don't gotta go out. Like
Uncle Tommy's birthday coming up too. What the date of that one, man? That's
That's what the new generation thing is called.
No, the new generation already happened.
Yeah, it's March.
That's in March too.
Yeah.
There's a lot of stuff going on in March then. All right. Big shouts out to Prezi for tying the knot, man.
That was our.
I'm sorry, no apologies, Mr. Taylor. Mr. Taylor.
Put some respect by my G.
My fault. My apologies. Shouts out to Mr. Taylor for tying the knot and everything.
Yo, shouts out to Prezi. Yo, I found a perfect video of what went down that day with Prezi in the bathroom.
Word?
Yeah, there's somebody did a perfect skit. Like, I don't think I could find it right now. But, you know, you at a party, you just walk in the bathroom and just to collect yourself.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it was one of them. Like,
he definitely collected this.
That nigga enjoyed himself. But yeah, shouts out to...
Yo, when I looked at the amount of cups that was in front of this guy.
Yeah.
I bought him some drinks.
Stacked. That man put a cup down. I saw him put a cup down. And you know when you put something down, like, you know, I gave up on this.
It was one of those.
Nah, he put it down right beside of my drink, right? So I'm like, I saw how he put it down. So I'm like, yeah, he definitely stopped. He done, right? Boom. That's when he left to go to the bathroom. That's a good 30 minutes. Mm-hmm. That man confidently came back like he ain't just left this shit like unattended for 30 minutes. You know what I'm saying? Like came back like, all right, I got some space for this shit. Carry on.
I made room
That's
for this.
That's literally how he came and picked that shit. I'm like, all right, Prezi, you know what? But yeah, shouts out to him.
Big shouts out to him, man.
And his newlywed, man. Yeah, it was the reception was a vibe.
Yeah, man, with a freestyle, man, as always.
Yeah, it was a vibe.
Speaking of that place, man, that was at Jolie. The reception was at Jolie.
Jolie.
They open tonight too. They going down tonight. It's
we got a couple of going down tonight.
Yeah, that's going down tonight. Every Friday night they open now, man.
Okay.
I think it's JK and Priest on it.
Okay.
No, tonight is Rum Boss and them.
Is it Rum Boss on them at Jolie tonight? Okay.
All of them down there tonight.
Yo, shouts out to Rum Boss CNT. The man them
Rum Boss International, man.
I wonder if they're ready for the 2025. Hey, boy, neat. Make sure you're ready to come. I see ya dagga the girl in the club, you know. Make sure you bring the same energy, you know. I'm soon up on the stage through them. But yeah, shouts out to Rum Boss CNT. You see me?
Rum Boss INT.
INT, yes, sir.
The international.
Sir. Sorry, at least me never say it. The G them a chop up the road right now.
Like keep in touch with the streets.
The man them not only a chop up the party in terms of playing, the man them their road.
Yeah,
as me say, 10 toes down in the road, in this dance hall, like I see where I interact with the people and I'm like, oh shit. I went out for the first time. I was working. I worked last week for the first time I want brother them event, and me I tell her, like, nigga.
No.
It was a I think it was the first time they kept the party there too, but it was one of them after party spots, you know, a 12 to 4 event.
Yeah.
That's tomorrow night too, but
that's going down tomorrow night, definitely, man.
But
Sammy birthday.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
Damn, man. Yeah, bro.
it's the 7th, February 7th.
Yeah, next week.
Is that next
Or
week?
2 weeks
Yeah.
from now. Yeah.
No, that's next week. February 7th next week.
Oh yeah, you're right. Because the week
Tomorrow the 1st.
Damn, you're right.
Yep.
His birthday.
It shouts out to
Jay,
Sammy,
you ready
man.
for Valentine's Day?
Who?
You ready for Valentine's Day?
You love them pagan holiday do.
Oh.
Right.
Me?
You know say
No,
no,
me not
broke.
ready.
Him a go broke.
Me already broke. Me not ready.
This a dirty boy, yeah.
Yo,
the people them holiday are fouled up. But there's a lot of events going on, man. You know, chat. If we miss anything,
Oh, Maestro.
that's- oh yes, sir.
Yeah, Maestro Earth Strong. Pisces
Yeah.
of Fear.
Yes, sir.
March 7th, 1st.
Yeah, we about to get fired. God
that's
damn,
another March
management
one,
about
yo.
to fire us.
Everything going on in March.
By
That's
heart,
why.
Yeah, it's a lot of events.
And then I just saw Rocky drop her flyer.
Oh, she did. I didn't
Up
see
top.
that yet.
That shit
Okay.
fire.
I ain't seen it yet.
Yep. Is it? I tell her she doing like a 5th annual.
Yeah.
Is that an annual? No, she do annual events.
Yeah,
What
yeah.
is it?
Yeah, shouts out to Rocky,
Rocky
B.
Earth
Yeah,
Strong.
she do annual
Water
events.
Street.
Yeah, she do annual
Yeah,
events.
so that's gonna be lit. I think I should bring a DJ too. I wish DJ Mr. on the flyer again.
I'm going to her page.
Mataran,
now.
yeah, Tony Mataran.
Oh, that's gonna be
Yeah,
nice.
so that's gonna be a vibe.
Oh really?
You know, so
Okay.
that's last time Mataran did I did out fully active, you know.
Yeah.
Whole live vibe squad did
I don't
out.
think I was there, so I might have to tap
Nah,
out,
you
tap
wasn't
out.
there.
Yeah, I was.
9 bucks, everybody did out.
Yeah, I think the
The night they was
whole
epic.
team was out. But yeah,
Yeah.
shouts out to Rocky B.
Yeah,
What was that? When's that again? I know it's the 5th
I
annual.
think that's the 1st of March.
1st of March? Okay.
Let me double check.
But yeah, it's all on
I
our
always
media.
spell her
If
name wrong, I ain't gonna lie to you.
chat, if you can't find it on Live Vice page, link Miss Robas on Instagram and Facebook. No,
Yeah, very true.
Ariana,
That's a page I would, you make sense.
yeah, go on, link Miss Robas on social media. Yeah, you'll
It's her
find
5th
all
annual
events.
birthday bash. Cranium Mataran
It
is
is-
on
The 1st?
March 15th.
March 15th.
Okay, there you go. Quick
March
update.
15th, Rocky B Earth Strong, Water Street Music Hall.
5th annual. Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Performance
Yes,
by
sir.
Cranium and Tony Mataran did their DJ.
Mm.
Probably go perform too. So.
Performance?
Yeah.
Cranium in the
nice.
building. You know Cranium in that dancehall right now.
Yeah.
I Cranium in that streets
What
right
we
now.
drinking?
Cranium in that streets right now.
Yeah, right, so everybody, shout out to our sponsors real quick.
Sponsors?
One Love
We
Window
get
Cleaner.
sponsored?
Yeah, nigga.
Oh shit.
Oh, the boy, out that so.
Yeah, so we official. All right, shouts out to the sponsors,
Yeah,
man.
One Love Window Cleaning.
Yes, sir.
And then All In Podcast Network. Shout out to you anyway, you at homie. Right now,
DK Clayton.
yeah.
Mm.
Can't wait till Sunday.
Yes, yeah, me, yeah, argue about you peanut punch
Somebody
earlier.
drank my carrot punch,
The
yo.
carrot punch, my bad,
I
about
don't
peanut
make-
punch. The carrot
I
punch.
don't-
Somebody drank my
So
carrot
somebody
Right
really
now,
stole
that
it?
laugh, they sound like a beans, you
Damn,
know.
I was here when he dropped it off too. So the like, don't fuck with the DNK delivery. That punch gets delivered.
Yeah.
You know,
It definitely
that
get
wasn't the
delivered,
problem.
yeah.
It gets
That was,
delivered.
nah, it wasn't delivery.
Yeah, it wasn't a delivery issue. It gets to you, but it's
When we
just
forward back from off the road, I wasn't.
yeah.
aware
When
I
it
just
gets
go
in the
straight to
freezer, it's up for grabs. Unfortunately, I'm sorry. Yeah, it don't last too long. A punch one punch, and if you punch now punch, somebody a go punch the punch. Yeah, and that happen. But the NK Catering, who else on the sponsor?
Anonymous Exotics all
Oh
day.
shit.
I can't indulge right now, man.
Yeah, so you go.
Alright, and then
Yeah, so you go.
So,
Who else sponsor we? Me is a Live Vibes of a team too, you know. Live Vibes Entertainment. Big up on yourself.
the management team.
Yeah, big up
Yeah,
management.
shout out to them.
Yeah.
Shout out to management.
Yeah, well,
Yeah, shouts out to management because
Yeah.
I got my script. Yeah,
Yeah,
some
so-
people think I'm a freestyle, but I script me get.
you tight shit.
Yeah, that.
So tonight, people, you know we always do our cups up, but Dr. Sour just forward from the doctor, and he got the dentist and him under medication, so he cannot partake in
Yeah,
anything.
yeah.
So that's why we're here so sober and so bland.
Yeah, man.
You know, this team, we taking one for the team with the team type of.
I appreciate that, yeah.
Except for Bucky, but Bucky,
I'm the bandit, bro.
We're gonna take 2 toasts tonight. I say we here last week and we here again this week. For that, we thank God.
This is just a customized cup. It's water in here.
Yeah.
Shut up.
We're gonna take an early toast for tomorrow for Pundai Earth Strong.
Oh yeah.
The Live Vibes production. You don't know. If it wasn't for him, we still wouldn't be going right now. So he's the one that make all the graphics, everything you see on the screen. Anything you see screen and audio related, I put there in the separate strong, brother. So. Would I say that go party, but him and a party, man. No, him probably do some big cooking or something.
Hey, I said this at whatchamacallit. I said this at Javi, where it named it. I tell Pundai, but I say it at Javi reception. Hey, if you invite Pundai a party, and Pundai drunk and enjoy the party, you party lit. Yeah.
That's a fact.
If Pundai tell us that the party go on good, yeah, the party go on good. So shouts out to Pundai the restaurant tomorrow.
Hey, people, let me tell you something about that event though. Why did Bucky pull up in the same outfit he got on right now?
The exact same. It was the same thing, yo. It was the same thing, yo.
This man pulled up to the reception in a ski mask and a sweatsuit.
With the ski mask, yo. That was wild.
I'm like, yes.
I didn't have a ski mask on that day.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
I don't think you did.
I did. I had my shades. Yeah.
You had the sweatsuit.
Yeah.
Man, crazy with it.
Yeah.
At the wedding reception. That's what's crazy.
Just know it clean, said speed. Be clean, you know, everything I'm having clean. I like Jim. I don't know about you still, know. Yeah, come talk about me.
You don't have to know about me. You're not supposed to know about me. Where you praying for?
And me not pray, I smell it.
Not time for blood clear, Bucky. So y'all was talking about earlier that some of the, what was it, some music stuff?
The dance out right now.
Yeah.
The dance out, the king debate is still going.
Yeah, Never Brought Fire one next shot.
Yeah, Never Brought Fire shot.
I saw that.
And
yo, this is my question about that whole King debate. Matter of fact, not even on the King debate, just so is it true?
True what?
He got his visa. Cartel got his visa.
So him say.
I wouldn't say him say. Yeah, I wouldn't say him say.
It's just the rumor. It's still rumor right now.
It's a media right now because I haven't tapped into his page. Most recent, I know he just dropped a few songs in the last few days, but in terms of the visa, I think people are running with it because of the announcement of the nominees of the Grammys.
I saw that, yes.
And they're saying like because of who's running up, I feel like he is obviously the one of the favorites. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? But Shensi up there right now. I think the Wailers up there right now, and those are one. They might fall from the last Billboard thing. So they're up there for the top, but then also Vice Carter's up there. So, but because of, you know what I'm saying, me not the meter and he's very current right now, I feel like that's play a major role in that. Don't quote me. You know what I'm saying? As I say, me not see him make no official statement yet, but
you see the rumors though.
I see the rumors. Yeah, I see the posts. I want to call them rumors because
all me know say
I saw the posters.
Because to touch American style, anywhere within a 16-hour driving radius or something, I am going.
I heard Labor Day in the city.
Me not going to the city go watch Cartel. Me want to go one of them country states.
Yeah, it last time.
Like if you pass through Buffalo or Syracuse, Maryland somewhere, you know what I mean?
Syracuse gonna hold. Where in Syracuse gonna be able to hold a Cartel show?
Why?
You gotta think of the places that's gonna be able to hold a Cartel show.
Nah, what you mean though? Like, nah.
Just what I said.
Me go see me Atlanta maybe.
It would have to be the city.
It would have to be either the city, Vegas, or Miami.
I think it's a Vegas.
Vegas is crazy, bro.
Vegas, you don't think a Vegas place?
Vegas is crazy,
Vegas
bro.
would do Cartel?
Yeah,
Vegas is crazy. I think Vegas is diabolical.
Vegas?
Wait, no. We feel say you miss a key factor now. Pay attention to this. I'm not short to Cartel, you know.
Right, but it's Vegas is crazy.
But once you touch American style ball game, kind of different.
Yeah.
He's still gonna pull in Caribbean fans mostly, and obviously the American fans might go trickle in. But so when you say Vegas, when I say he cannot be that big, but I go travel the same route as Current and Canada, the Toronto, all of the DC, North Carolina.
Japan, Toronto, but we talking about America, so yeah, that's different.
Type of vibe. So.
Yeah, I'm talking about America though.
But
And you only
Vegas?
named DC was the only place you named. We thinking about America. Where are the places in America that he will be able to a venue that will be able to hold? So now,
so basically, you're saying he's basically the same shit he did at Freedom
So
Street.
you got yes.
We don't want that. No.
It would have to be a football stadium.
Because I'm thinking he doing like just a regular on stage performance.
Nah, Cartel could do more than that. He could do way more than that.
I mean, that would be okay though, bro, because I feel like it would be on a more of a tour level. I don't think we need. Yeah, because I see what you're coming from. Because
as a promoter, you gotta be able to make your money that you spent on Cartel.
Yeah, but
so you need to know or else because if a promoter did Cartel,
hold on.
He would have to charge $800 per ticket.
In that chat, then just say him depend him plane I go to US. So somebody check him gram.
But hold on. We can fact check that. But I'm saying though, in terms of the stadium performance.
Food downstairs, yo.
In terms of the stadium performance. Yo, chat.
Yeah.
Yo, anyways, no. In terms of the stadium performance, though, yeah. In terms of the first performance, but you gotta think about tours, bro. You gotta think about tours. What happened once he started touring? Like that's different. You know what I'm saying? Vegas is different. Like we could probably put Vegas in there after that, but it's like first sure. If y'all try to do something like Freedom, we don't need another 360. I'll tell you that right now. We just need a regular stage. Yeah. In our face front stage.
It ain't about it being a 360 stage. It's about it being able to hold the capacity of the venue. A venue with that capacity to be able to hold that many people. How much you think he's going to charge for a show?
It shouldn't be what Freedom Street was.
What do you mean it shouldn't be with Freedom Street?
Nothing close to that.
How much do you think he is going to charge?
10 grand, nigga?
What? 10 grand what? For VIP
10 grand?
shit, US? What are you talking about? 10 grand what?
Nah. Yes, 10 grand?
Nah.
Yeah,
we won't pay that.
We not gonna pay that for one I'm talking about niggas, bro. I'm talking, but that's the most expensive.
That's what y'all dismissing. People will.
Yeah, you sure
I'm not saying it's not possible here because it was possible in Jamaica, but if you really want full summer right now, even America right now, brother.
Factual.
Oh, Popcorn showed them up at 100K?
Yeah, remember he took a show for 100 one time.
Oh, he booking 100Ks now, right now?
Yeah.
That ain't far-fetched because he might do him thing. We not talk about that, man. We not talk about where you might get paid. We are talking about ticket prices. Where you would have paid go out on Cartel show up.
Yeah, 3 bills.
You would have paid 3 bills go on Cartel show up.
Yeah.
US? Someone go and female advice. Me tell you something. If bring by the camp on road, I know you want to go Cartel show. Oh, the bumper clad is Jay. Stop the fucking cap, bro.
Yo.
I won't leave money that in the dog.
Alright.
I can't know that.
So hear me I say.
Cartel bugging
when me I say if you go on Cartel concert, me I try to get like the cheapest VIP package.
You want to be a
cheapest.
We are doing a VIP in a Cartel show.
Come in like the crowd, brother.
You're a star now, so you go. You know, so you go, but. Boy. Yeah. Yeah, me think me the bossy but Jaja.
Anyway, so like that, so people.
No, but anyways that. You really tell me say you have pay change like one. What? Jay we barely want pay 20 like one, but no, me chat the business now.
Yeah. Who got talk?
You will barely want pay 20 like one people in party.
Me I know the same, you know.
Let's talk about it.
I don't know
I'm
what about
New Year.
Me barely want pay. Me
Yeah,
pay anything
different.
going on any party. Don't do that. Okay, you don't support my people.
Yeah, I do make people. But no, you're not. Me everybody come cap on member live as a no. Yeah, and let's be honest. And let's be honest. Yeah. Shout out to Jay Friday. But no, you can't do that. No, you're not going to cap to my chat people. No, you're not going to do that. You're not going to do that. Because you not paying no change a lot. Going on no Vice Cartel show. No concert, much less that. Where last concert you go to? Where last concert you go? Yeah, come Bumbuckler. You're not even a Bumbuckler Gaza fan. You're not even why the latest Cartel tune no job? Why the latest Cartel tune no job? Please tell me.
No, I'm good. I got this.
Why the latest Cartel tune?
Yo, you mess it.
Alright.
Back on this?
No,
I'm still trying to figure out if he's really about to pay $300 going to a Cartel show.
Bro, you crazy.
Not to say people won't pay it. I'm just saying that's still a stretch.
For way more than 300.
I'm not saying nay. I'm just saying.
If Kendrick could get 300 for a show, Cartel could get it.
Okay. But now I say now we get to know. But what the $300 ticket now? Where that I go there? Is that gonna be a middle ticket or is that gonna be the most expensive? Or that's no.
If that's
Middle is okay.
VIP, I'll take it. Whatever 300, that's what I'm willing to pay to get.
What comes to that 300 though?
I don't know, but that's the max I'm paying.
What would you expect with that 300?
A nice section in front of the stage.
And she alone one for the $300?
In front of the stage.
I want to rich no bumbo clot. On a rich. Like this crazy, bro. This crazy.
Eh?
This is crazy. This is crazy, bro.
Huh?
Ice cream?
No, I freak you there, man. Me say I go record and get my content too, you know what I mean?
Bro, you're not do that, dog.
Some tune.
You're not do that,
Just
dog.
Nobody
cap for the. I don't know who you are. Who in I chat that chat impersonate? Who?
Alright, so people, we're moving on.
Oh, we're moving on.
Moving forward.
Moving forward. Moving forward.
So to the people that say straight vibes, there's a couple of things that happen currently in the news that
we got a few topics to talk about.
We want touch upon and see your views and see each other's views. First things first, the whole deportation shit is going crazy.
Alright. Yeah,
literally, ice is out in the ice. A double ice right now for some people.
Judge, I good.
I don't know. It's like
La Magra.
All right.
some of the countries, they saying they don't want the they own the deportees, but then they said Trump said, well, if you don't take them, nigga, I'm gonna put up more money on put up the tariffs higher. So they're in there like, okay, we're taking my friend, you got it.
You can't do the voice, yo.
Right.
It's not appropriate.
You gotta go.
I
bro.
live here.
Wilder. But so niggas, I mean, I saw a couple clips for the James said, a couple of Jamaican touchdowns.
They won it, but
yeah, what's up with that, man?
What I'm here for is the skits that's gonna drop because I said it was
for y'all people that's only been here for 2 years, man. How that feel?
I came the correct way.
Okay.
I don't know about it. Yeah, I'm only here for 2 years.
I came in the summer, so I snap up. Can you look for me?
Yeah, me very, yeah.
So anyway, so may I say, for some of the people that's been here for over 10 years and have no type of straight papers at all. No
yeah, that's
type
just
of
dumb on your part.
No type of nothing.
That's wild.
Then, you know what I mean?
That's wild, yeah.
And especially that, but if over 10 years you here, you have to have something established. Even if you're not planning on going back, something has to be there just for this that everybody planning for might happen.
So what about the part?
Scenario.
What about the part where if your parents not from here, even if you was born here, it don't count?
I mean,
he trying to stop it, but
I heard that. I think they trying to bring that in.
They're trying to stop that. They're trying to put a stop.
He passed it order to
okay.
stop it, but it's in like court now.
So that's independent. So I guess so if you gotta be one of your parents have to be American citizen.
That's crazy.
From not even American citizen though. He did. So what if they moved here and got their citizenship?
Then I guess they'll give that a pass.
No, the right is
you gotta be born.
Once you're born in America,
yeah.
you can't spend a day, you're American citizen. But he's trying to stop that. He passed the law like.
Yeah, but what I'm saying is when that law passes, is it gonna still be on some shit like I bet?
I don't think it's gonna pass because
once it, if
only a thing there behind it. You know?
Damn.
Right.
But if it pass,
yeah.
once if your parents not from here but they come here and become a citizen and you're born here.
Yeah, born here.
Then you have the.
That's what he trying to stop.
You're not gonna be American.
You're not gonna be American citizen.
Brother,
But what me I say is,
if you come here under the correct terms.
No, you got to be a certain.
You know, all the people that will come here, just come here, and just the kids born here, and they gotta leave back soon.
Yes.
That's what he's cutting out.
Yes, that's what he's trying.
What do you mean leave back soon?
Like some people come here to have their kids, just so the kids can have the citizenship. So that's like.
No, he's not gonna people that.
So it's more of a reason for them to come here.
If you're not from here and you was living here, it don't matter how long you was living here. If you're not from here and you was living here, and you have a kid here, they still not from here. That's why.
Oh, that's what he's trying to say. Too.
How is that fair?
Because they say
if you born on American
wherever
soil,
you
you
born from,
American.
brother,
Nigga, you are whatever your parents' blood is. So it don't matter what the fuck.
So yes, in that case, nigga, which parents you talk about? You talk about the mother, you talk about the male or the female?
It don't matter.
It don't matter. Because in that case, nigga, Bob Marley is white.
Yeah.
Bob Marley is not Jamaican.
Everybody know that. Everybody know that.
That means he's not Jamaican.
You are what your father's blood is.
Fuck it.
But remember,
in that case, bro.
But Jamaica is not a country where pre-them meds, you know, as long as you represent the country, well, you can't call yourself a Jamaican.
You can't do that.
Right.
You can't do that because that goes over against what Americans
Jamaican,
are saying.
Chinese Jamaican, and other Jamaican. So tell them about that.
Yeah.
And they can't call themselves Jamaican, and we are going to tell them say.
I know that we are talking about though.
Oh, okay.
That's not what Trump's trying to do though. Trump I say, yo, you can't do that. If you can't be Chinese, you're born in Jamaica, but no, you still Chinese, nigga.
That's what he's trying to say.
That's what he's trying to say, nigga. You're not Jamaican.
Yeah, I know that's what.
I understand you was born in Jamaica, but you're not Jamaican.
I know
that's what I'm trying to say.
And like I said, it's 50-50 on me. Like I said, I believe you are what your parents' blood is, regardless of.
Yeah, in terms of culturally, bro, but. In terms of citizenship, bro, you are where you was born, nigga.
Yeah.
That's simple logic, bro.
Culture, like, I get what you're saying.
Yeah, you could call yourself. You could culturally assign yourself with whatever your mother or your father side of your you know what I'm saying, and call yourself what you want to call yourself. But shit, like paper wise and citizenship wise, you should be categorized based on where you was born, nigga. Like,
okay,
yeah, and that's how it been.
And you don't agree with that?
You don't?
I
agree?
mean, that's an opinion. This is just my opinion. But like I said, I'm 50-50, bro. Like either way it works, it makes sense to me. Because if it's been like this is something we
but
into,
I feel like,
but from how I've known how shit been.
It doesn't take away what you're saying though. How shit been, it doesn't take away what you're saying in terms of having a Jamaican culture. Like, yeah, you could have an American, your parents could be Jamaican, but they moved here to have you. You know what I'm saying? You're American, but you could call yourself Jamaican. You could call yourself Jamaican if you want. You could be like, I bet when I was born wherever, you know what I'm saying, if I said here
like that. That's
what I'm saying. You could tell yourself that, but when it comes down to culture, you can bring yourself however you want to bring yourself.
It's mad American Jamaicans.
You can bring yourself however you want to bring yourself, bro.
Be straight from Jamaica.
Right. But it's up to you.
Nick, he's an American Jamaican. Nick, both his parents is straight from Jamaica. Straight from Jamaica. Nick was born here. Yeah. Was born in Miami and moved up here to Brooklyn.
So what you trying to say? He's not Jamaican?
So he can't call himself Jamaican?
You say he's parents?
Or no, so I'm saying, so is he American or is he Jamaican?
You say his parents was born there?
Both of his parents were born in Jamaica.
Nah, bro.
But he was born in America.
He was born in America, bro.
He can rep America.
Yo, he's half Jamaican descent, but he's born in America, bro. He's an American, bro.
Hey, like Mr. Mina argue. If you say what's wrong,
I try to show you or it makes sense logically.
Logically, that can be your logic, bro. This is just something.
I don't think even logic is the right word, but I don't know.
If this was a thing before, then that would have been the logic. If what Trump is trying to do now is where if your parents' blood is Jamaican, then that's where you are. Then it would have been normal.
We would all be in Africa.
Right.
All of us.
We'd have to get
every last one of us. Jamaica, Haitian, all of us. Every person would be in Africa.
Because that's where them so far.
That's where the first man
right?
came from. Where the first man came from?
God, not Eden. I don't know where that is.
In the Garden of Eden.
But moving forward, so as we go, but before we get sidetracked, but as far as the people that's been here from any other country and over a couple of years, you haven't tried to get no type of stabilization to set yourself to, you know, like that's crazy. So, and they like when I heard they was going for people who've been here for like 20 years, 30 years, I was like, God damn. Yeah. I thought it was like for the fresh people who just, you know what I mean? Mm-hmm. But they don't matter as long as
it's niggas that's really taking advantage of the shit, bro. Yeah. Mm-hmm. You know, it's really the old heads. It's really, you know, it's just niggas that's stuck in their Jamaican ways. Just feel like, all right, nigga, you can't tell me shit, nigga.
But this isn't even just Jamaicans.
This is everybody, but this is as far as the Jamaican part. This is something I can't speak for them. I heard about what they do with the Jamaicans though. Once, let's say for example you did a crime or do something and you ran off here, and you caught up in one of the ICE raids or some shit, and they run your file because they said they're gonna process you, and if your name come up in the police database back home too, they're gonna hand you over to whatever parish station you're on for.
Straight expedition.
Straight to them.
Damn. I mean, it just sounds like they're more. I feel like they're trying to make it a one system in terms of everybody connected. Do you think that's a thing in terms of?
But they know that's not gonna happen, you know. A lot of bunch of they say Texas economy fuck up already, because all the immigrants over there hiding.
Damn.
And they was majority of the workforce over there for landscapes, roofing, all the handiwork. You know what I mean?
It's not even Texas, bro. It's every state, bro.
Yeah.
It's every state, bro. Like, just think about it. It's like all these like restaurants, like all that restaurant in New York City are shut down.
Who made that rum cake, yo?
My mom.
Well, let me try a piece of that.
I was just gonna offer you what I ain't
run piece of rum cake there.
Yo, follow me one knife there.
Run piece of rum cake there. Flatbush going crazy, bro.
Oh, you talk about don't where they have the car dealership, the little car spot them?
What you talking about? Nah, nigga, Flatbush. What you talking about being Flatbush? New York or Flatbush?
Why would they talk about
Flatbush? I mean Flatbridge. I mean Flatbridge. I'm thinking about Flatbridge. No, I'm sorry.
No, Roger.
No, he did say Flatbush. I'm sorry.
He said Flatbush.
Yo, couple chuck on. No, but guys. No, but just watch it, dog. One can't go over Flatbridge. Or one chuck almost go over there. A couple bus.
Check your chat, Bucky, real quick. Check your chat real quick.
No, the Flatbridge, y'all are going crazy right now. My bad, chat. Y'all know I'm here. Flatbush. What going on Flatbush?
Remember, see, I don't do all of them little side job that they hustling job.
What do you mean? Oh, it's nobody there?
Like the little mechanic shop.
Ice ran through it.
God, it's...
Yo, I remember there was a time where it was more just Puerto Ricans and everything up here. It's Mexicans, Dominicans, everybody up here now.
Bucky. Bucky.
They saying what I'm saying, bro. Your parents is their background. Why you...
Yeah, man, say.
The DEI junk? Yeah.
I hear you trying to cut. Maybe I don't know. I saw it on the internet. We could fact check this too. But the thing about taking away the holidays. You heard about that?
What holidays?
Like Black History Month, all of them shits.
No, I'm gonna take a free food from people. Like people used to get like.
This is good as a bitch.
I heard about get another size, but I heard about like unemployment and shit. Like not unemployment, but like food stamps or something about food stamps. I think they about to cut that like nigga, you know the people that is on unemployment and it's not like they have like a seasonal job. It's like they really just taking advantage of that shit. Like them niggas that just hurt their wrists and then they say they on disability and they're just taking that check I feel like I heard that they going after them niggas. Like, if you're not actively looking for a job, nigga, you either go.
Should be.
Yeah. So I feel like I heard that. I think I heard something about them getting more stricter on that.
I ain't gonna lie to you, bro.
Them to cartel and pan with side, but anyway.
Check
So
that.
I said I was talking about landing and shit.
Oh wow.
Good
Okay.
segue. So a couple
what
planes
a
didn't
segue.
Moving on.
land over the past couple days.
This
And
guy here.
the first one was the Black Hawk crash with the jet in DC, bro.
Yeah.
I'm conspiracy all over that shit.
Go ahead, man. What's the conspiracy on it? You conspiracy all over every shit, but go ahead.
So my thing is, they obviously that's a military helicopter, and it's one of the private ones. They said to carry important people or important shit, whatever. VIP chopper. The amount of training them niggas go through, and they line of vision and all of that shit, it's impossible. And then in the video you also watch, for them not to see the fucking plane with the landing lights on, coming right directly at them, bro, crazy.
So what happened?
And then the air traffic control.
That's the part that told me is the air traffic
kept
control.
repeating the plane and how many of the planes were in line to line up coming in, and they're trying to make it seem like, oh, the plane mistakenly saw one behind when you couldn't have missed that. The landing gear light was so fucking bright.
So what happened? So a jet crashed.
The plane collided with a helicopter.
Passenger plane.
Mm-hmm.
So
and landed in the river. I think they got no survivors.
So hold on. Hold on. How,
it was like 67.
you gotta explain it. I got a picture. So I didn't see the video or anything. Yo, you stupid.
The laugh was crazy.
Yes, that laugh was great. But there is a picture right there, guys. Chat, there is a picture right there. There's a picture on the
picture
teleprompter.
I drew.
Yeah.
Because my internet was an internet.
I won't even tell nobody that part.
Yeah, I wouldn't
that's
even.
why
Yeah, I wouldn't have claimed that,
The
bro.
fact that you drew the picture of the accident is crazy.
Yeah, it's crazy, bro.
I'm laughing at my drawing, chat. I'm not laughing at the incident. Just to make it clear.
We laughing at the chat. But no, really, how? So the plane was landing, and how did it land on the helicopter? That's what I'm trying to.
The
picture.
helicopter got in its path. The plane was on its direct path.
Okay.
But the air traffic control was signaling.
So
to
who was at fault? Would you say?
Helicopter.
Okay.
Because the air traffic was telling them like.
And you're saying it was a military helicopter?
Mm-hmm.
Oh shit.
Black Hawk.
Damn. So Black Hawk was down?
Type shit.
Damn.
Oh, man, y'all, wow, bro.
Yeah, bro. What's that on the butt?
You just had to. You had to, huh?
Had to, bro.
You had to.
I'm laughing at the drawing. Chat. I'm laughing at the drawing. But damn.
Shouts out to everybody who lost their lives in that, man.
Shouts out.
What? Wait a minute.
Wait the fuck? You talking about me, nigga? All of the family. Shouts out to the family.
To the family. You
wild
that nigga. Yo, what the fuck is wrong with you, bro?
Damn, yeah, all right. That dude. Hey, hindsight. No.
Condolences to the. Yo, what the fuck?
Condolences to the family.
Yes, sir.
Everybody who lost their life in that.
Yeah, prayers up. But
can we stop laughing?
nah, nigga. This is life vibes, bro.
You did that.
We can't, yeah, life, you know. Yo, Dr.
Moving on.
No,
Moving
nigga.
on.
I guess moving on, bro. The rope kick at work.
I'm sorry, people.
The rope kick at work, people. Oh my God.
Crazy, yo.
Alright, people. If anybody just tuned in, remember I said I'm not laughing at the accident.
We laughing
I'm just
at the
laughing
joy.
at the statement. how
No,
it was
it's the
proposed.
drawing that J man. It's the drawing on the teleprompter.
But anyway, I feel like that was too sketchy to be that freak of an accident.
So what do you
Shit
think
happened though, bro.
happens? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like,
Shit happened, bro.
What do you think was the point of it?
Shit happened, bro. Accident happened.
Where was if for it to be a conspiracy, there must have been some type of benefit for it.
I mean, we don't know yet until all of this stuff is once they find all these bodies that they're supposed to find. Because the plane has from the video, you see an explosion. You know what I mean?
Mm.
I don't think everybody's body's gonna burn that quick. You know what I mean?
I ain't
But
see the
that's-
video,
but
bro.
that's-
The video showed the explosion. I saw a video
Yeah.
that showed the explosion.
So that's what I'm saying. I'm just gonna base off what the video showed.
Damn. So it was a full passenger, like a full aircraft.
The video right now.
Yeah.
Is bursting at the seams here at Reagan National Airport, and something that will no doubt become a part of this conversation
Big screen.
is the fact that Congress in its reauthorization bill that passed last spring authorized more flights to come in and out of Reagan National Airport. That's so symptomatic of an aviation system that is very much.
This was a new flight. I mean, a relatively new flight.
This is something that so many people, I think, are going to ask about now. And the other thing that's becoming a part of the conversation, and I'm just in a group chat with some of my buddies who are airline pilots, is they fly in and out of DCA all the time. And they know about this helicopter route, this special corridor called Route 4, right on the eastern shore of the Potomac here on the southeast DC side.
Chat is hearing, we lit.
Very close, and it can be very
True reaction.
close.
Are they nervous? I mean, I don't mean they're scared, but they're nervous.
No, I mean, they know that they've been nervous before, and pilots hit the switch up for controllers occasionally to land on runway 33, the auxiliary runway that's used here occasionally for smaller regional jets, and they know that's pretty close, and so it's in the back of their mind, and they have it now at top of mind.
Yeah. Oh, you want to see the video too?
I guess because what I'm trying to say is, bro, like, got me hear about it. I play with it. So, in terms of it, I was trying to picture this like it was at an airport or some shit.
It is at the airport.
It was at an airport,
right? Like this is the runway. This is the river. The plane is coming in.
But how the fuck did the helicopter not see
exactly
the fucking plane?
That's why it's not just
his point.
That's why it's not just a fuck up. You don't fuck up like
that's
that
what
when
I'm
you're a
saying.
black
I
ops
didn't
pilot.
ask who's at fault, but damn. I mean, I said shit happened, but damn though. Damn. Condolences to them families, but
Yeah, condolences.
Condolences.
But damn.
Condolences.
And then the only plane that me touched on.
Yeah.
Because when I saw enjoy
today,
that, I going under them. Yeah.
I think today. I don't know if it was early this morning or late today. Philly, a plane crash in Philly.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
Damn.
And this wasn't no drone sighting.
Yeah, see, it's the point I got the footage right there.
And this wasn't no drone sighting.
No, nigga, it crashed. So everybody in the hood came out.
Okay.
There's a footage I saw the doorbell camera. The people came out and ran right back in.
The plane crash in the hood?
Yeah, in Philly.
Oh, yeah?
Damn.
Yeah.
So...
Was there something in that pre-flight checklist that was overlooked that turned out to be quite crucial? We do know
Was there an airport closed? Was there? I mean, black box. I go explain everything though.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, black box. I go explain a lot. You know.
That's usually how that goes.
Yeah. So no, then that circumstance is not even.
But let's hope they do survive.
So
survive. Nigga. Where did they crash? Is it in a
in a mall? They said
in a mall.
Like a shopping center mall type of shit.
What the?
I think.
Damn. Me I tell the man them say you better stay on the yard, but we can stay on the yard and
Nigga, we live right next to the airport.
Literally right next to the airport.
Nigga, bumbo.
You can hear airplanes.
Yeah.
I don't know.
The plane be low as it. The plane be right here. Look like we could touch that motherfucker.
Mm-hmm.
Damn.
Crazy, but it's funny. But all this shit, there was like 3 prophets. I don't know if y'all believe in stuff like that, but there are 3 prophets that late before the year started, they prophesied that starting in 2025, there's gonna be a lot of plane crashes. Plane fucking up before they take off the runway, plane crashes before they about to land, and just a lot of plane crashes to start off.
You have evidence of that?
And there's 2 to start off already.
You have evidence of that?
Of what?
People are saying that, cause
yeah,
on the prophets, no, those low prophesy shit.
Me show you later.
Yeah, man, yeah. I forgot, yeah, I forgot. Sure, say yeah, you say that, and then because that's
right
crazy,
now,
bro.
People,
a lot of people, shit happen, man. Like, remember,
be safe from the prayer.
People, niggas not doing their jobs out here, bro. In terms of checking on these planes, like, you know what I'm saying. Niggas fucking up on purpose.
Could be a
niggas
thing.
Going
but that's
to
how I said people be safe.
Yeah, it could be that.
Yeah, niggas going to work drunk.
And for the people them who work on these equipment and all of that stuff, just be very mindful. And y'all pray too. Be very mindful because, you know.
Love your life, man. Fuck it.
A whole heap of people life and having on the hand.
One
and I
life
know y'all
now,
take
brother.
your job serious, but take it extra serious right now because a lot of paranoia is going on right now with a lot of crazy shit. And this is a surprise that this is the first time a plane went down and they're not saying it's a terrorist attack. So this is great. This is just a different.
Because it had to be, you know, it had nothing to do with no government shit or no city.
Nobody know yet.
You know, I'm pretty sure there's gonna be some terrorist attacks rumors. Pretty sure those are coming. You know, there's already. I said, he said the one that happened today is in a shopping center or a mall, but and then the other one was airport. You know, which the only governmental connection that I have will be the helicopter. But, you know, yeah, they can say that. Yeah, I feel like the terrorist rumors definitely are forward.
No, I mean, it would have dropped already because knowing how the news work, once something happened, they got a label to put on it to direct your thinking.
Talk about conspiracies. I heard that they about to, on what you call when they block out files, when they encrypt the file them.
Redact.
Yeah, redact. I heard that about it. Unredact the JFK assassination.
We talked about that, bro.
We did. Yeah, I feel like that shit about to go crazy.
We had a whole conversation.
We did.
Crazy how?
In terms of the conspiracy is
information.
The information that
But
in terms of
that's one of them,
it's already crazy.
That's one of them things where you know how when people say about slavery, if what's that's gonna change now that we know, or racism. That's one of how I feel about that.
Yeah.
I mean, they are
at least.
I'm just talking about in terms of the media for
they're
me.
undisclosing they didn't say they don't know. We don't know if it's gonna be the redacted files or the not unredacted files.
Okay.
They're undisclosing. They're declassifying the reports on the Kennedy murder, the JFK, the Robert F. Kennedy, and the Martin Luther King murders, assassinations. I'm sorry.
Still murders.
Okay.
So they're declassified it. We don't know if it's gonna be the redacted version or the unredacted version.
Gotcha.
Because it might be. They might put it out, but it might just be all blacked out shit that we getting to see.
Okay. Gotcha.
Because you gotta think of the type of shit that's going. My thing with that is that how the government will crumble. Because a lot of that shit was FBI, CIA shit.
Right.
Yeah, it's gonna show that it's inside jobs, all of it.
But then what's gonna happen to our government if that's the case? Once they show us all of that, what's gonna happen?
But what's this now?
I mean, they got safeguards for all that shit, man.
It's gonna show that
they
we
can
can't
cover
trust
that
it,
shit
but at
up
the same time,
smoothly.
I feel like if Trump's doing that, his strategy would have to be, if he's exposing that, to show that, well, this is why I was weeding all these people out.
He's very much I'm gonna do some bullshit to show you how I'm gonna save the day type of guy.
Exactly. So that's what
I'm always gonna come to the rescue type of guy.
So I feel like that's one of those moves he got up his sleeve once. You know, he's gonna be like, hey, that's how I was putting all these people, good people, all my friends in power, because I can trust them and they're not shady. And you know his talk and stuff. But yeah.
The streets don't know nobody have people, so just be careful with that. And jacket I give away no people. So be careful.
Oh.
Yeah, man, them be careful, because jacket I give away your fuck. That's how I don't know nothing, you know. Because them say, everybody, 1 in 3 pitney, every man have 3 pitney, one of them, at least one of them.
He hurt by this, yo.
Sorry, that shit is...
Him no say jacket stop cut after age 35. So you try to get one too.
Them say any man a yard right now with 3 pitney.
Yo, this hurt you, bro?
That shit is serious, nigga.
This shit hurt you, bro.
Huh? Yeah. What? 73%.
Yeah, that's wild.
I give a jacket, man.
Half jacket.
That's crazy.
The man them just so happy to get you.
Lightly, your daddy and your daddy.
Yeah. Yeah. My favorite might pick my both of my parents.
So they got DNA test mandatory. DNA test mandatory, ain't they?
I don't think. I think that
now they are.
think
I'm saying because of that.
No, they are. Yeah. No,
because of that, they mandatory now, right? That's crazy.
Yeah.
You know, them catch it, and like say when people come up foreign, and a foreign.
Yeah.
Nigga try to man, a girl them try to run with the man and Pitney. I don't know, say that next man Pitney I run with. You know it's crazy. Them blood clot girl I run with the man and Pitney and come meet the Pitney father up here. Not knowing the Pitney father already are foreign, but you give the youth to a next man a yard. Is it me and run left the man up?
And I know most of the time they can't carry picking it. Carry picking the DNA in the match daddy.
Shit crazy, bro. But yo, the man them just.
That's why most of the situation where you see they gotta leave their kids. That's what happened.
Yeah.
They don't match and they're like, oh, well, honey, I gotta go work and send money back.
No, that's your cut. I don't feel Pitney. But your mom's good too, you know. And I like saying, no bad vibes, you know. But you find out, say, you're on a year youth. You still take the youth to dance class and all them things then? Are you going to say you're on stepfather? You just assume stepfather.
She gotta leave. And she tell me, say, the youth are not for me, but she had the youth with me.
No, I think
what are you asking me?
No, me I talk about. Me I say, yo, you just find out. Take the left foot tight. You and your moms. You good, you live together. But somewhere you do some paperwork and you upgrade in life. And as I say, you never done a DNA before. You just sign papers as youth, ashy as you. So you say, I might do that. But you find out, say, yo, I know you're a youth. You see me I say? Yeah, what you gonna do? You gonna say moms have a cut? Or you gonna just switch your title to stepfather?
I still don't know what he's asking me. Was I listening?
Is you either gonna leave?
We are do. You have cut. Yeah. No, I feel also.
Wait. Start over again.
You find out the baby not yours. You gonna leave or you stay?
You gonna make the chat roast me?
Stay. And it's my house.
Yeah, your house.
How deep in are we?
10 years.
10 years. I tell you, youth at 10.
Now the youth at 10?
Yeah, youth at 10.
We had a kid and 10 years later I found out it's not mine.
Yeah.
That's your kid.
I feel like I've saved up enough money to bust a move.
That's your kid. 10 years, yo?
I'm keeping my kid.
Yeah, that's 10 years, bro. 10 years? That's a decade, bro.
So what the fuck?
That's your kid.
Nigga build a whole company in 20 years and lose that shit and gotta start over. So what the fuck?
So a kid is a company?
So you cut the kid off?
It's an investment.
So
bro, you cut all your love for that kid.
I'm not cutting the kid off, but I'm not going to...
I would cut the relationship. I get that, but that's your kid, though.
But listen here. Me not go cut the kid off and act like say, me not, if I still have access to him, of course, him or she may have a, you know, kind of show them, yo, the life fucked up. And this is just how we got to roll now. Now we the homies. Like,
now we the homies?
Yeah, I still got you.
Homies is crazy.
I still got you.
Yeah.
So you're going to stop treat the kids like a son?
No.
That's
just
not
like a little homie.
You diabolical.
Yo, that is treacherous.
It's not treacherous, bro. Like, listen here, so.
Bro, 10 years? I can see if it was like 3 or maybe 4.
Yeah.
All right, so what you don't understand, what you don't understand, bro.
But I feel up in
what I'm looking at is, I'm with her for 10 years and we have a kid, and after the 10 years, I find out he's not mine.
Yes,
bro. You're not gonna.
You moving emotional. That's mad emotional.
No,
bro.
Nigga, that's gonna come because you're not gonna want to be around her. You're gonna question everything.
Nah, bro, you ain't gotta be around her. But that kid, we ain't talking about her. We talking about the kid.
Yeah, cut off. Yeah, she have a cut. Our both.
So I gotta figure out how I'm gonna navigate around back that without making that feel like there's something, you know, and depending on.
Yeah, bro, you know, that's emotional, bro.
Hey, Carly, what you want? Blood clot, Carly, you know.
So yeah, turn stepfather.
Me emotional when me I spend money. I don't care when me I spend it money.
I won't be the stepfather, but I'll be the father that stepped up.
I blood clot stripes here, look. Yeah, boy, hear me I say.
Not all heroes wear capes, buddy.
But now that's a little bit with Jake.
Nah, you know what? No, I said because 10 years is a long time. And in 10 years, you to groom that kid.
Yeah.
And to basically a younger you, it don't matter if it's you or not. I mean, it may not be your kid, but you
the shit gonna be different, bro.
So, Bucky, yeah. If I you, what you gonna do?
So, alright, so me, no.
The relationship definitely
means I ignorant man, dog. So, I feel like
like abuse.
No. Cause me never get beaten. So me not have to beat people if get them in line. That you know, there's different ways for school a child. But anyways,
this nigga need more than that.
I want puff just to get trouble. I'm never to get beaten, dog. Yeah, man. But for me, brother, I feel like said, me so ignorant. We are definitely cut out moms, you know. You know what I say? Because that obviously you should know. You have to know who you have picked for. Me no care. You care. Me automatically cut you because you out here, nigga. You for the streets. You don't know who your baby father is. That's crazy. I also gotta take a L too, though. You know what I'm saying? I gotta take an L because I mean pick her. Is it me? I say, man, I have some cocky principle at the end of the day.
We're talking about you and the kid.
10 years now, yeah. One definitely build, you know, but me I try picture all when me have 10, brother. Like, you can't outgrow things in the dark. 10 years, as me say, the dynamic of I got change, brother, automatically in terms of
you niggas
the household. No, but what me I say is, you I got their own, you know, brother. But I'm talking about. Like the title, obviously, like it all depends on how you and the youth is, you know. Because you're not gonna know, you don't know if the youth are gonna be on the mother side, you know, or the youth are gonna rate you more, and rate you bring him up. You see me? I say because once that out, it's gonna change the dynamic of the whole. Everybody mind I go go crazy, brother. Because a 10-year-old is a big, somebody will have sense that, you know, brother.
By the time a child is 10, they got their personality for the most part.
Yes, so that what I said, so pickings have to go on. Yeah, so it all comes down to what you're going to do with the parents and what you're going to do with the youth.
Super close.
You say what?
Yeah, the kid's super close.
Yeah.
The kid love you more than mommy.
Yeah, you stay with that. But as me say, me go probably I'm my youth, but why if the youth father want him now? I just you know what I'm saying? I just walk or go on now, you know. Alright. That's a different story too, you know.
Good point.
Because as I say, once that foul out, brother, once that foul come in mind now, we will not say, yo, me raise the youth right. You never know. Me can raise the youth to where.
Once a kid is 12, they can choose who they want to live with.
Yeah, me don't know about that. Me don't know about that.
What do you say?
Yeah,
that's true. That is true.
Legally,
that is true. Legally, that's true. You're correct. But I feel like if the child is projecting that he's showing like he would rather be around you, by 10 years old, that kid know who they want to be around.
You can pick from that time.
So I feel like that's for you to be like, nah, I ain't mess with this kid no more like that. That's mad emotional.
No, man, you
mad at the girl. You not mad at the kid.
No, that's a J. That's a J. That's what I said. That's a J. Me, as I said, like mine's gonna be changed, bro. But as I said, the connection they never gonna change in terms of me and the youth because that's what we, you know what I'm saying, we build the connection there. But in terms of the whole, like everything is gonna change because yeah, love unite for everybody, but. And that play a big part because 10 years, some love are going to there, brother.
I have the audience conversation.
So if you love the girl.
Yeah, love did it too, you know. Yeah, love did it too.
And on the bill after like.
That 10 years, that's for true, you know.
In the first 2 years, but after 2 years, but the 10 years, you find you have a kid. And 6 years after, within that time, going back to the 10 years when you find out. And you're not deeply close and in love, and you find that out.
Brother, me's an ignorant man, dog.
He might talk like
me ignorant to the dog. Yo, me ignorant to the dog. Me dark them the way they dog. Like, me dark son the way dog. Me dark son the way. Me know, there's certain thing like.
You can't get back.
Yeah, me can't. Me take the L, brother. Me take the L, brother. You see me? Me take the L. But me not gonna lie, still.
Bucky sound like him in distress.
Yeah, that's stressful, bro. I'm stressed for my bridge never right now, dog. Like, any man who have jack, yo, that was a joke. Like, you gotta understand, bro. We wanted a Jamaica, one of the places that actually have a name for the shit, bro. A jacket. That's crazy. That's how big of a thing it was, and I know it'll be a big thing.
And you know, I go and none of the bucket jacket them never fit it.
Yo, that's crazy, bro.
None of them never fit it in our parts. Them have be a 3/4, you know, so. That must be saying something.
That's why I'm wearing a sweatshirt.
People, again, this is another episode of Vibes
Yo,
Friday.
shouts out to the chat, man. I know y'all was here.
Shouts out to everybody
rambling.
in the chat. Monta, go on, you're fully active. Eagle God, same way.
Shouts out to the chat, man.
Yeah, again, thanks for tuning in. This your boy, Gallus J.
I'm going to rewatch that shit and I'm going to look for that.
The bandit over there.
Yes, sir. I'm going to look for y'all comments in the rewatch.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I was tuned in
there. Reese there, 9 Vibes there.
Yep.
Punday, happy strong again tomorrow, me youth. We'll see everybody again.
What do you call it? Pre-turn. Pre-vibes. So show us out to the producer.
Alright, everybody. A Vibes Friday. We do ask if you like the vibe, subscribe, share it with a friend.
I'm on the clock.
And if you missed this episode, you know you can watch it again because it stays on the page. So if you miss it, just run it back. Guys, run it back, run it back, run it back. Oh.
I want to piss so bad. Now, chat, nigga, what's up?
So much things I did not
That's say I'm from Portmore, that's in J.A. We can do it on that beach there.
Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Rock it, set it, rock it, set it, rock it, set it, rock it, set it. Bomb shot, somehow you got.
I think we got more. 5 more minutes, then we tuning out. Cause we gotta go.
See me baby, everything crisp. My good love make you turn and crisp. Fever, buy you banana. See me baby, everything crisp. My good love make you turn and crisp. When you look back at you, I mean that doggy style, puppy whisper. My cocky so hot it give the fire fever. If you can't rub me off, hasta la vista. Well, affy, ava, pussy, power, grab it, Lego, queen, lower, odo, lover, odo, cover, tattoo, color, bar, summer. Billy Pig, when I pump, pull the boost, silly pig. Call up, a la mine, a la bug, silly dilly bella best for la bug. Silly dilly bella best for la bug. Back shot, somehow you got extra, forget me not. When it's sweet, you, what you say? Fever, buy you banana. See me baby, everything crisp. My good love make you turn on, turn on.
I'll choke you, but I ain't no killer, baby. She 28, telling me I'm still a baby. I get love in Detroit like Skillet, baby. And the thing about your boy is I don't like no whips and chains, and you can't tie me down. But you can whip your lovin' on me. That's right, whip your lovin' on me. Young J-A-C-K-A-K-A, Rico like Suave, Young Enrique, speaking at AKA. She's an alpha, but not around your boy. She get quiet around your boy. Hold on, don't know what you heard or what you thought about your boy, but they lied about your boy. Going dumb and it's something idiotic about your boy. She wearing cheetah print, that's how bad she won't be spotted around your boy.
I don't like no whips and chains, and you can't tie me down. But you can whip your lovin' on me, baby. Whip your lovin' on me.
I'm vanilla, baby. I'll choke you, but